We're in a unique location where the contractors can come out and test their systems in an environment which is akin to real. It's not a warehouse, it's not a research facility, it's the real locations.
We need to test in realistic scenarios. It's an environment where we can try out our robotics in this case, but in other cases site survey or decontamination technologies in the environments that we very likely face if we actually had to use these things in anger.
This trial has allowed us to bridge the gap between research and operational environments, helping our suppliers understand where they need to do research and innovation and how we can fund and support that. The work that you'll see here is all an embodiment of our ability to move away from putting people into hazardous environments and start using robotics and other technologies forward of the hotline so that we can keep people safe, we can deliver more effectively, and we can make genuine use of some of the robotic technologies you'll see here.
This trial has been primarily about the use of robotic platforms and their navigational capabilities. It's pretty difficult to navigate a drone indoors. Getting them to move around in a space, an interior space where airflow is more difficult, where walls all look pretty similar and are at all sorts of different angles and things like that is really challenging. So having the opportunity to improve our navigational systems on that basis is really, really helpful.
So these sensors, these robots and ground-based or air-based systems are conducting specific tasks. So following an incident that could be chemical, biological or radiological, the aim is to deploy these units to conduct specific missions.
So Dstl have expertise in CBRN matters and how to remediate from CBRN incidents. But alongside that, we have experts in operational analysis, in unmanned vehicles, in autonomy, and we're able to bring all of those skills together here and make sure that we're delivering cutting-edge science that can make a difference and improve the UK home resilience.